Hi, this video solves the problem of the error message cannot implicitly convert int to int with a question mark. So this happens if you try to convert an int value which it may also be 0 or null. So this is of type public int some views, something like this, and this question mark is the key element. So you can solve it like this. So this may sometimes be null, and this one is an integer, so this cannot be null with not 0. So the first way to convert it is you go there and say int, and you convert it typically into int. So I don't know what happens with a null in this case. Or you take, this is the more convenient way, you say question mark, and if it's null, so this means if it's null or nothing or never initialized, then it's a 0. So this is the solution for this small case, and I've written my documentation in my website.